Hey guys, welcome to another quick tutorial on mask layers in Photoshop. The mask layer is basically an opacity layer letting you control which areas of the layer are transparent and which are opaque. In this setup we have a green layer on top of a red layer, so the green is the only one visible at the moment. To create a mask, start by selecting a layer and then select the layer mask button at the bottom of the layers panel. A layer mask will appear beside the layer linked to it. Right now the mask is white, meaning everything in the layer is visible. But if we change the mask to black, it'll make everything in that layer completely transparent. So any area in the mask that's black will hide the layer, allowing the red layer underneath to show through. Now we can use a brush to mask different areas, depending on where we want to show or hide parts of the layer. Using a black brush will fully hide areas of the layer, while using a grey or reducing the brush opacity will only show parts of the layer, blending it with the layer below. We can also use a gradient tool on the mask to gently fade it from one layer to the other, like so. And if we want to do this in a different way, we can also use a feathered selection tool as well to get a soft transition. Thanks again for listening. Feel free to like and subscribe for more.